Good morning from Market Meteo AI. It's Wednesday, August 26th, and Wall Street opens soon. Here's today's market weather. This morning the sky over the markets is hazy. S&P 500 futures are flat. The Nasdaq slips a touch, while the Dow tries to stand out in green. The market is holding its breath ahead of two big events: gross domestic product and inflation in the morning, and Nvidia's earnings after the close. The fear thermometer stays upbeat at 59. On the dashboard, the real story comes from commodities. The VIX, the fear index, falls to 15.6 in the normal band, calm seas. The U.S. 10-year yield eases slightly, around 4.63%, and the dollar holds steady. Oil, instead, plunges almost 8% on easing geopolitical tension, while gold climbs toward new records, two faces of the same caution. On the S&P 500, we're trading around 7,677, right on the zero-gamma watershed at 7,680. The put wall is far, at 7,000, while the main ceiling, the call wall, stays at 8,000. This threshold is today's traffic light. Above it, the market tends to calm. Below it, swings get amplified. The close-up map shows us right on the zero-gamma watershed at 7,680. Below us, the near-put wall at 7,600 is the first safety net. Above, the call wall at 7,700 is the first ceiling. Today, the options balance, the GX, is in negative territory, a backdrop that tends to amplify swings. The C, for now, is a bit choppier. The Market Meteo AI Barometer today reads transition with 60% confidence. The picture is mixed. The upbeat mood and low volatility push toward fair weather, but the negative options regime and the price glued to the watershed call for caution. In the short term, we stay cautious, because moves can turn sharper. In the medium term, we stay neutral, waiting on the data and Nvidia's numbers. On the calendar, it's a busy week. Today is the key day. In the morning, gross domestic product and the PCE index, the Fed's favorite inflation gauge, and after the close, Nvidia's earnings, the most anticipated on Wall Street. Thursday brings the weekly initial jobless claims, and Friday consumer sentiment closes the week. In short, three things to watch today: whether the zero-gamma pivot at 7,680 and the put wall at 7,600 hold, the 2:30 data with GDP and PCE inflation, and Nvidia's earnings after the close, the real swing factor for tomorrow's mood. That's all for today from Market Meteo AI. If this report helps you, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's Before the Wall Street Bell.